Today, I'm going to break the biggest myths about home remodeling that you perhaps didn't know. Lately, too many people that I'm coming across want to focus first on the sexy items when it comes to remodeling their home, but they're making big mistakes about skipping the essential stuff that has to be taken care of before anything else. So today I want to go and address it once and for all, so you know what is the right order of operations in terms of working on your home. So when you purchase a house or perhaps remodeling your house, so you know where to put your attention first. So we're starting with our home. You have in every home the fundamentals, your roof and your foundation. Those two, as long as your roof is taken care of and your foundation is properly reinforced, you know that your home is a safe environment. You can't start with anything cosmetic or anything sexy, that I like to say, like your kitchen, your flooring, your bathroom, the paint, which is where most people tend to focus their attention first. However, if your roof is a problem or your foundation is a problem, then whatever you do on the inside can be jeopardized, which will cost you thousands of dollars. So that's mistake number one. After doing the roof and the foundation, where should you divulge your attention? Where should you divert your attention? The attention should be going on the project that give you the maximum return on investment. What are those projects? Those usually tend to be the bathrooms, your kitchens, and things that give you return on investment. Why? Because on average remodel, both for bathrooms and kitchen, you can recoup up to 70% of the investment back. That number is not exactly the same when you go to high-end work, but on average remodel, you can see the house value going up. So what's the next thing in the list? My philosophy is always, the best investment that you can make is either add square footage to the home or convert your garage to an ADU. Why? Because the cost of construction will never amount to the cost per square foot in your specific area. And that's, my friend, are the top 3 things that you should be focused on before doing anything else in the house. Of course, there are exceptions to the rules. If your floor is completely broken, or your walls paint is chipping, you might want to put attention to that before other stuff, but you want to cover your bases. The roof, foundation, focus on the things that add value, and then move to the other things that actually make you money. Until the next time, guys, take care.